What if that $3,000 carpet quote ends up costing you double? Most people don't realize how easy it is to get misled by unclear pricing. Carpet installation costs can look simple up front, but when you don't know what's included, it's easy to fall for the wrong deal and regret it later. In this video, we're going to learn 3 things every smart homeowner should know before buying new carpet. First, how much carpet installation actually costs, including materials, labor, and removal. Second, what affects the price from different types of carpet fibers to stairs and furniture, and how to know if you're getting a fair deal. And third, how to avoid surprise costs and choose an installer who's honest, clear, and worth every penny. If you're planning to upgrade your carpet this year, this will help you get it done right. A while back, one of our clients thought they scored a great deal on carpet. They found a super soft style from another company, priced much lower than ours, and they went for it. But here's what they didn't realize. The carpet was made from the cheapest fiber on the market, polyester. Within a few years, it was worn down and needed to be replaced again. They were frustrated not just because of how it looked, but because they thought they had made a smart choice. Turns out, the company never explained what they were actually buying. They just wanted a quick sale. So the homeowner came back to us, we walked them through their options, and this time they picked a Smart Strand carpet. Way more durable, longer lasting, and still just as soft. Now they feel proud of their floors and confident in their investment. That's why this video matters, because knowing what affects carpet pricing isn't just about numbers. It's about knowing what you're really paying for and how to avoid costly mistakes. So let's break it down. What does carpet installation actually cost in 2025? The average range is somewhere between $3 to $7 per square foot, fully installed. That includes the carpet itself, padding, labor, removing and disposing of your carpet, moving your furniture, stairs, trim, and cleanup. Now, why do carpet prices vary so much? There are 6 main things that affect your price. First, the carpet fiber. There are 3 main types of carpet fibers: polyester, triexta, and nylon. Polyester is the cheapest and wears down very fast. Triexta and nylon are a lot more durable and better for homes with kids, pets, and heavy traffic. Then you have the style: plush, Berber, textured, or patterned. Each one has different price points. The more complex the pattern of the carpet, the more expensive it gets. Then you have the padding. That's what gives you comfort and performance underneath. Cheap padding will not give you good comfort on your feet. And there are 3 main types of padding: 6-pound, 8-pound with a moisture barrier, and 8-pound memory foam pad with a moisture barrier. Then you have the layout of your space. Big open rooms are easier, stairs, odd corners, or small hallways add time and complexity. And then extras like moving furniture or installing trim. Some companies charge for all of that separately. To give you an idea, let's look at an actual project we completed that was 1,000 square foot and break down each aspect of the quote. First, we have the carpet itself. The material itself came out to about $4 a square foot. Now the carpet the homeowner picked out is a really nice 60-ounce Smart Strand carpet. This is a very high quality, and the fiber is called triexta, and it is extremely durable, and it is also stain-proof. So this carpet cannot be stained. It is also a very safe and low VOC carpet if you're concerned for your little ones. Then you have the cost of the pad, which comes out to $525. So the material cost for this project comes out to $4,555. Let's move on to the labor side now. Carpet removal is 50 cents a square foot, which comes out to $450. Carpet installation is $1.25 a square foot, which comes out to $1,125. Furniture moving is 50 cents a square foot, which comes out to $450. Stair installation is $475, and the carpet delivery is $175. So the total labor cost comes out to $2,675. And the total project cost with all materials, labor, and taxes comes out to $7,754, which comes out to just under $8 a square foot. This quote was for one of our best carpets. So if you'd like to get something in the medium range carpets, then you're looking at around $4 to $6 a square foot. And here's the thing, just because a carpet feels good in the showroom doesn't mean it will hold up to high traffic in your house. Make sure you are careful with which ones you choose. The fiber of the carpet makes the biggest difference in how long your carpets will last. And here's a mistake some people make and end up paying more than they're expecting. They only look at the square foot number, but some quotes don't include removal, stairs, furniture moving, or even a proper installation method. So here are some smart questions to ask. First, is removal included in your quote? Are stairs extra? Do you power stretch your carpet installs or just use a knee kicker? You want to avoid all the companies who do not use a power stretcher to install their carpet, because without a power stretcher, you will start noticing carpet buckles within a few years of the installation. Then, what kind of warranty do they offer? Also ask if they do in-home consultations and give same-day quotes. You want a detailed, itemized estimate, not something scribbled on the back of a napkin. Let me go back to the client story from earlier. They chose a cheaper company thinking they were getting a steal, but the carpet wore out super fast. There was only a 1-year warranty, and the company ghosted them when they started noticing issues with the carpet. And now they had to pay again to replace the carpet with a higher quality carpet that will last them for a very long time. When they came to us, they chose a Smart Strand carpet, which costs more upfront but lasts way longer and feels great underfoot. Saving a little money today isn't worth spending thousands of dollars later to redo it in just a few years. Real quick, before we move on, if you're local to Raleigh, North Carolina and are looking to get your flooring done, click the link in the description to reach out to us. We are more than happy to help. We make the whole process simple. No hidden fees, we power stretch all of our carpet installations, and we handle everything for you from start to finish. That's why we've got over 100 5-star reviews and growing. And if this video helps you feel more confident about pricing, don't stop here. Make sure you watch this video. It breaks down the biggest mistakes homeowners make when choosing a flooring company and how to protect your home, your budget, and your peace of mind. Seriously, watch this before you hire anyone.